Hi, I'm Hannah and welcome to Hobbycraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make these stunning marbled candles. For this project you're going to need soya wax, a thermometer, soya candle wicks, a pillar candle mould, blue tack, nail varnish remover just in case, lollipop sticks, a glass or metal jug, fragrance, nail varnish, disposable gloves, a bucket lined with a bin bag and filled with water at room temperature. To prepare the pillar candle mould, thread the wick through the base of the mould. Then tie a lollipop stick to the top of the wick. Pull the wick through at the base so it's nice and tight and then add a blob of blue tack to secure. Pour the soya wax flakes into a large glass jug and then microwave until fully melted. Stir in the scent and then pour into the mould and allow to cool for around 3 or 4 hours. Then release the candle from the mould. Now it's time to marble using the nail polish or enamel paint. Shake on top of the room temperature water inside the bucket. I've used black and white and pale blue nail varnish. Wearing protective gloves, dip the candles into the enamel and then place onto a protected surface to dry fully for a few hours. I really hope you've enjoyed that video. For more gorgeous candle making ideas, why don't you watch the rest of our series on the Hobbycraft channel.